Good people, how's it going? It's your boy Frank. Meet my boy Daniel. So today we are about to work on my Navara, where we want to retrofit the headlights. These headlights, as you guys can see right here. What's wrong with you? We're shooting a video here. Why are you making such noise? So they use normal halogens, although I swapped to LEDs, but I still don't like them. So what we are going to do here is to retrofit them, and I'm going to install 3-inch headlights projector, bi-LED projectors. So in order to do this, we need to remove the bumper, which is held by some hex with some screwdrivers and some 10mm bolts, and we should be able to do this. So let me just go ahead, skip into the time that I removed the bumper, and voila, we just removed the bumper. Pretty easy. And next we do have one bolt here, one here, and another here. We need to remove those in order to be able to pop off the headlights. Same applies on the other side. Before I just remove the headlights, let me just show you how they light up now. So this is how they're lighting up. No cutting line, etc. So this is about to change. So now we have the car ugly with the headlights removed. As you guys see, both of them are right there, and we are going to use this heat gun. Sorry. We are going to use this heat gun in order to hit the headlight and open the headlight. So we finally have the first headlight popped out, as you guys are seeing over there. We are just making sure that we clean up everything and everything looks good as it should. And for this application, I will be using this bi-LED 3 inches projector lenses. As you guys are seeing, I have 2 pairs of covers. I have those ones with that detail that you guys are seeing over there, and I just have this plain one, and I think I will just go with the other one with the details because it looks better on the car. But yeah, in general, those are the projectors that I will be using. They look bright. Shortly we will be showing you. So for the installation, as you guys are seeing, it's pretty much easy. You just need to put the rubber grommet. They come in this kit. So you have this big rubber kit, and you have the kit for the back of the headlight, and also this locking nut. And basically you just do that. You just twist it until it goes into the specific position. And also it has a guideline just right here on the top. You'll find that there is a notch also on the adapter kit, which will allow you to actually insert in the correct position. We are doing the first test with both headlights still disassembled. As you guys can see, we just tightened up the projectors, and as you guys can see, this is how they're looking. I believe you can see the cutting line just right there. So now I think I'll go ahead and insert back the lenses, make sure that everything is tight as it should. So we have the headlights finally assembled, as you guys are seeing over there, and this is the outcome as you see. Let's go on the road and test it out to see how actually it looks in action. So this is how they're looking, guys. They have really good visibility on the street. Oh man, looks very bright, and I'm just loving them. Oh yeah, they look really nice. We are done here with the headlight. As you guys are seeing, they are looking really nice now that we have the whole car assembled. I just love. They actually ended up looking just like how I wanted, like an OEM plus look the same that we have on the Pathfinders, because the Pathfinders usually they come with projector lens. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. This was a really cool upgrade that we did to the vehicle, and now looks really nice during the night. If you did like the video, do not forget to leave your comment, your like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.